You're gonna love the 2018 Ford Taurus. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll look forward to every drive in this full-size Taurus sedan. Its blend of luxury, style, power, and technology delivers a driving and passenger experience that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's your turn to enjoy the comfort and sophistication of this sleek and powerful Taurus. Stop in for a test drive. We'll make it the best part of your day.